Welcome to lesson 21 of hands-on equations. We are going to be looking at solving equations with stars and pawns on each side of the equation, as well as positive and negative numbers. Remember, when we see a negative number, we think of that as the opposite of a number. So in this case, this number is the opposite of 6. So let's go ahead and start solving this. First setup, we have 2 stars. So we're going to add that to the left side, plus a 3. So we're going to add that as well. And on the right side, we have the opposite of 6, or what we would call -6, and then a blue pawn. So we have a lot of options as to how we're going to work on this problem. We could deal with number cubes first, we can deal with pawns first, but we want to be able to get rid of something first. So I would suggest that we try to get rid of this blue pawn. And to do that, we need a star to go with it to make a 0 pair. So I can add a star to the right side if I add a star to the left side. So that was a legal move, adding the same value to both sides, a star. And this now creates a 0 pair with a pawn and a star, so I can remove that. Now we know that we have 3 stars and a 3, which is equal to the opposite of 6. Well, since we have our 3 stars on the left, we want to move this 3 out of here. So how do we get rid of a positive 3? So think about that for a second. If we have a positive 3, how do we get rid of it? And the first thing I think of is 0 pairs. So I want to make a 0 pair on this side. So if I have a positive 3, what do I need to add to it? And that's going to be the opposite of 3. Well, if I add the opposite of 3 to the left side, I also have to do that to the right side. So now what do we have here? We have a positive 3 and the opposite of 3. So that is a 0 pair, and I can remove it. So now I have 3 stars is equal to the opposite of 9. If 3 stars is equal to the opposite of 9, what is 1 star equal to? And I know that if there's 3 stars and they equal -9, then each one of those stars is going to have to equal -3. Now if a star is equal to -3, then a pawn is going to be equal to what? So what's the opposite of -3? That would be positive 3. Then we're going to reset. So we started with 2 stars and a 3. And on the left side, we had the opposite of 6 and a pawn. So our stars are worth -3. So I have -3, -6. -6 plus 3 means we're going back up, is a -3. So -3 plus -3 is -6, and -6 plus 3 is -3. Let's try this. This is -6, and we add 3 to it. -6 plus 3 is -3. So our solution, our check rather, is -3 equals -3. I'm right over that with the thicker pen. So that is our final solution for that particular problem. So let's start another problem. Again, we have stars and pawns on each side of the equation. We have a positive and negative number on each side of the equation. So let's start with the left side. We have a star. Then we have a -2 or a -2. So we're going to put on a -2. This could also be read as minus a +2, and if we did that, we would have to put on a 0 pair and remove the +2. So we still end up with that -2. On the right hand side, let's see, we've got a +6 and we have a pawn. So this looks a little crazy because we have opposites of one another. The star and the pawn are opposites of one another. The 2 and 6, while they're different values, one is negative and one is positive. So we're going to have to make sure that we get pawns or stars to one side of the equation or the other, and then move our cubes to one side of the equation or the other. So let's think, star or pawn today? Let's say we're going to solve for this pawn. So I want to get rid of this star. So how do I get rid of that star? I create a 0 pair. So if I have a star, what do I need to add to make a 0 pair? That's right, we're going to add a pawn to that side, and if we add a pawn to this side, we also have to add a pawn to the right side. Pawn and star are a 0 pair, so we remove them and set them to the side. Now we have -2 is equal to +6 plus 2 pawns. We have only pawns on the right, so we need to move this +6. How can we move a +6? I always like 0 pairs. If you've watched me enough, you know this. So if I have a +6, I'm going to have to add a -6 to it. If I add a -6 to it, I also have to add a -6 to the other side. What does that create on this right side? That creates a 0 pair. And we're left with 2 pawns is equal to 8. I'm sorry, -8. If 2 pawns is equal to -8, what is 1 pawn equal to? 1 pawn is going to be equal to -4. If x is -4, what is the opposite of -4? That would be +4. Now let's go back and set up our original equation. We had a star and a -2 and a 6 and an x. So star is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. So we get 2 equals 2, and that is a check. We have one more problem. This one's a little bit bigger. So we're going to start with 3 stars. And we're going to remove a -5. In order to remove something that we don't have, we have to put in a 0 pair. So we're going to have a +5 and a -5. Which one are we removing? This says to remove a -5. So we're going to remove the green one, and then we add a pawn. That doesn't look so bad, does it? Now on the right side, we have 2 x's. Those are pawns, plus a -3. So we just add that on there. So how are we going to solve this one? Well, the first thing I notice on the left is we've got a 0 pair. I have a pawn and a star, and that has a value of 0, so I will remove that. Now we have 2 stars and a +5, 2 pawns, and a -3. So let's see what we're going to do with these. We can either pick pawns or stars. It doesn't make a difference. Let's go ahead and keep these stars over here. So we need to get rid of the blue pawns. How do we get rid of the blue pawns? We can add stars in order to make 0 pairs. If we add a star here on the right, we have to add a star here on the left. Well, that gives us one 0 pair, so I can remove. Now what do I do? That's right, I'm going to create another 0 pair on the right, and I'm going to add a star to the left. So now my 0 pair is also gone. So we have 4 stars plus a 5 equals -3. Well, I have my stars all on one side, so I know that I want to keep them there. So how do I move a +5? Well, let's create a 0 pair. Add a -5. And if we do it to the left, we have to do it to the right. Now we have a 0 pair of 5s, so we're going to remove them. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 stars is equal to -8. Always watch your signs there. So 4 stars is -8, so 1 star would be -2. If star is -2, x is going to be +2. Then we go back to our original equation. 3 stars minus a -5 gave us +5, and plus an x equals 2 x's plus 3. So first things first, any 0 pairs can automatically get removed because they're going to equal 0 anyway. So I'm going to take those away. So I have 2 stars plus 5. And stars are -2, so I'm going to do 5 minus 2 is 3, and 3 minus 2 is 1. Pawns are 2, so 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. That is a check. Great job today, guys. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow.